picture of the park bench.
You did?
Peter followed you back. You're not watching where you're walking. Here, here's the cameraman.
Got it on video.
Okay.